Hello from LaLiLu, and here's our Lali.
Hey, where am I? Am I going to college? But which one, fluffy or cardboard?
Ooh.
LaLiLu!
Don't panic, bestie. Let's decide where we start. Cardboard or fluffy invitation? Pick one. Now to keep things fair, let's go.
This one. Oh, I'm so nervous. What is it? What is it? Show me already!
Please. Fluffy college.
Yay!
Great choice. You need a new look. Welcome to my workshop. Hey, Lali, I'm over here.
There are snacks!
Hey, not right now.
Not snack time? Really?
Really, I've got something special. Look.
A gift for me? Wow!
And inside, fluffy fabric. Time to sketch. I'm drawing. Oops, the pencil broke.
Let me try.
Wow, that's some pencil.
Okay, like this. Now here.
Voila, it's a triangle. Cut it out with scissors.
Nice.
Hey, Lali, come here. Lali, cake later, fitting first. Pink color, cute buttons.
Wow, nice.
Yeah, it turned out great. Maybe now, hey.
Yay! Yummy.
Oh no, what happened to you?
I'm happy.
This mold will come in handy. And fluffy yarn. I place a piece and pull it through with a hook. Slowly filling the whole surface the same way. A cute fluffy skirt is ready. Trim the bottom with scissors.
Wow, amazing! I'm so stylish. Oh!
Wow, another surprise. And inside, tons of pom-poms. Thread them onto a string, making a fluffy chain. Attach it to the case. Look how cute and handy.
Let's see, what's trending? Ooh, a stress relief hat.
Let's make one. We'll need a balloon. Let the air out.
And put slime inside.
Twist and tie the end. Cut off the excess. Draw a cute face. Add some shiny powder. Done. Let's finish the look with a fluffy coat. Oh, and legs. Let's add some trendy leg warmers.
Wow, awesome.
Final touch, cute stickers. For Lali and the stress relief hat. So adorable.
Thank you, LaLiLu. Oh, the bell! Time for class! Wow, this place is amazing. Everyone looks so cool. Oh, what if I don't make friends? Oh, I'm so nervous. This hat will help me relax. All right, time to meet people. Hey guys, I'm Lali. I hope we'll be friends.
Wow, you look so stylish.
You're also fluffy and soft.
I like it.
Even the crown is soft. Best place ever. Cool couch. Oh, class is starting soon. I need my books. Oopsie. Okay, what do we have here? Welcome to the cardboard workshop. LaLiLu, I need a new look.
No problem. Cardboard delivery.
Nice.
Amazing.
Let's get started.
Yep, let's make you an awesome outfit.
Okay.
Starting with the top. Sketching the future touch. Switching marker to pencil. Coloring it white. Here's the second piece. Okay, I need tape. Lali.
And I told her, calories matter. Eat oatmeal and cheese.
Lali!
What?
You're sitting on the materials.
Oops, sorry.
Tearing some tape. Ugh, never works the first time. Got it. Covering the surface. Now we can cut.
Is it ready yet?
Almost. Place both halves together. Connect with tape pieces. Nice, the top is ready. Kinda boring, no? Oh wait, not finished yet. Add a heart decoration.
I want cool cardboard pants.
I've got an idea. Taking a cardboard cup, cutting it, and removing the bottom. Flattening and placing the doll. Tracing the shape. Time to cut. adding glue. Joining edges, one leg done, and the second done too.
Wow, so cool! That's a trend. Wait, where are the pockets?
I'll make them from corrugated paper. Stretch it slightly and glue near the knee. New sleeves from the same material. Add cute bows. Done! Now decorating. Cutting cardboard into thin strips. Ooh, nice.
I know, it's a belt.
Yep, I'll help you put it on. Want to try making something too?
Give it here. Boom, my signature hearts. That's it, I'm gorgeous.
Yep, you look amazing.
Yay!
But I'll add bright accents. Tracing cardboard and paper decorations for hair.
All right, time for cardboard class.
Yippee!
Bye-bye. Wow, everything is cardboard. Hi, my new cardboard friends.
Hi.
Oh, here's our new student. You can take your seat.
Okay, one sec. Where's my seat? LaLiLu, help!
Here's your desk. Sit down.
My bestie already brought everything. Oops, I'm falling. LaLiLu, is that funny to you?
Don't be mad, it's just a joke. Here's a proper desk.
Now that's better.
Thank you.
Take out your notebooks. We're starting a new topic.
Right away, miss. Mine's in my bag. Oh no, I don't have a backpack. LaLiLu, emergency! Bestie, I need a backpack. Help, help! Code red, code red! LaLiLu!
Hey! Easy, calm down. What happened?
Class started and I have nothing.
Don't panic, I've got this. This heart shape will work perfectly. Placing it on cardboard and tracing.
No, I'll draw it myself. Now like this. Done, LaLiLu.
You're amazing. Okay, where's my pencil case? I've got lots of straws here. Cutting the ends. Easy peasy. Adding glue to the cut and attaching along the edge. Repeating all around. Voila! Cover with the second half. Decorate with a cardboard strip. Color corners with a marker. Attach the flap. Done! Backpack ready.
That's it? Where's the pocket? Decorations! LaLiLu, that won't do.
Okay, gotcha. Drawing cute stickers. Transferring onto the backpack. Wow, super adorable.
Oh, awesome. Thanks.
Put it on quickly.
All right, I'm off.
Bye-bye.
Where were we?
Wow, oh, the new girl is so cool.
My desk, here I come.
Wow, Lali, such a stylish backpack.
LaLiLu made it for me.
That's definitely the trend of the season.
Okay, now I can write. I'm done. Me too. Oh no, I don't have a pen. Here, take mine, Lali. Thanks. Anytime. Okay, A plus B. Wow, she's so smart.
Aw, how sweet.
This is a message for Lali. I'll send her my heart. Psst, Lali, catch. Wow, is this for me? From who? Hey, you've got this. What is it? Oh wow, he likes me.
Wow.
I need to write back. I love you. Sending it. Here's the reply.
Huh? Oh, is this for me? Let's see what it says.
LaLiLu, wait.
Please.
No. Don't open it.
What's inside?
Nothing.
Hey, what are these secrets? Oh, nice yarn. I've got an idea. Taking a board with slots, threading the yarn and wrapping it along the length. Looks great. Now I secure the loose thread onto a stick. That's a shuttle. I pass it between the threads, alternating rows. Super duper. Now let's quickly repeat the process a few more times. A whole fabric piece is ready.
LaLiLu scissors.
Yep, just need to trim it. Adding glue and folding in half. We'll need some chenille wire. Twisting a loop and cutting off the extra with cutters. Attaching loops on the sides. Threading a ribbon through. tightening it into a pouch. Let's add eyes. Painting half beads black. Attaching them to the front. A cute smile. Aw, so adorable. Backpack is ready.
Wow, is that for me? So cute.
Put it on.
Thanks.
The backpack matches the outfit perfectly. Stylish and fluffy.
Thanks, I gotta go. Girls, check out my backpack.
Yay!
OMG, that's fire. Total slay. Literally iconic. Thanks, girls, I know.
There's a fluffy desk hidden inside the backpack.
Wow, so handy. Yep, pure fluff. Do you have one for me, too? Let me check. Okay, what do we have? No desk, but there's a soft lounge chair. Awesome, thanks. Okay, what about me? Wow, there's a kitty. So cute. We need a selfie. Strike a pose.
Oh, the fluffy pet fits right in with them. A rat?
I smell something tasty. Ugh.
Uh-oh, someone better run. Wrong neighborhood, buddy.
Save me from the furball.
No eating each other. Here are some treats. Milk for the kitty and cheese for the rat. Peace, friendship, love. See how nice that is?
Are they giving out food? Perfect timing for lunch.
Here you go.
And this is your idea of lunch?
Okay, I'll make you a huge lunchbox. Where's my donut? Oh, materials inside. Adding glue and attaching fur outside. Nice, super fluffy. Now the lid. So good.
Why is it so plain? Let's decorate.
Great idea. I shape a star from chenille wire. Adding multiple layers. Looks like soft frosting. Maybe a pom-pom here? Add bright fluffy sprinkles. Voila! Oh, I love how it turned out. Lunchbox is ready, just need to fill it. Wow, so many treats. Pop! Lali will love it.
Oh, now that's lunch.
Lid on top. Wow, it's heavy. How do we lift it? Special delivery service.
Me and the furball got this. Let's fly. And he was like, huh?
That's some wind.
Drop it.
Wow.
Payment in cheese, please. Thanks. Oh no, did the food blow away? It's fine. I've got enough for everyone.
Wow, is that a lunchbox?
Yep, you'll need a special bib for this.
Wow, that's huge.
LaLiLu, open it.
As you wish.
Yay, I love soda. I'll take the chicken and ice cream. I'm going for Nutella.
Wow, it's already gone?
I think we ate too much. I want more. What's that over there?
Want to play a game?
Oh, what do I do?
Guess which cup hides the prize.
Ooh, easy. Spin again.
Okay. Spin, spin, spin. Take a guess.
I know, it's here.
Let's see. Oops, not quite a prize.
How? That's cheating. Not funny.
1 second. Hey, Lali, try again.
Not this one. Let's try that. This time for sure.
There's cardboard food.
Why is it on the floor?
Ew. Let's make a lunchbox.
Hi-ya! Wow, you're a karate master. One time
Lali, place the bottom on cardboard and trace it.
Excellent.
Done. That's the lid. Add glue to the edge and attach a strip of cardboard. Cute heart-shaped ears. Print a donut picture, cut it out, and glue it on. Decorate the lid. Wow, so adorable.
Wait, not yet. Hold on. Here, my name.
Nice.
Yep.
Great. Now let's fill it. Done. And one more carrot.
Hurry, give it here.
Here you go, bestie.
Can't wait to eat. Huh? Where is everyone?
Hey, Lali, come over. What smells so good?
My cardboard lunch.
Wow.
Let's see. What do we have here? Ooh, so many goodies.
Will you share with us?
Of course, help yourselves.
Thanks, Lali. You're the best.
So tasty. Yum, yum. Ah!
Hey, I got messy.
Food fight! Like this.
I didn't start it.
Hey! Catch! Which college did you like more? Tell me in the comments. Bye-bye!